Hello, my name is Dr. Joseph Palumbo, and I'm the Chief Medical Officer of Zynerba Pharmaceuticals. And at Zynerba, we are proud to be developing potential new treatment options to help patients and their families living with Fragile X syndrome and other rare and near rare neuropsychiatric disorders. Importantly now, on behalf of Zynerba and all of our employees, I am here today to say how proud we are to support FRAXA and the entire Fragile X community, particularly during Fragile X Awareness Month. We are especially honored to be here today to present FRAXA's Global Champion Award, which recognizes an individual with a long-standing commitment to the Fragile X community and who exemplifies global leadership in research, awareness efforts, and advocacy. So, this year's Global Champion Award is presented to Dr. Sumantra Shona Chattarji. Dr. Chattarji received his master's degree in physics from the Indian Institute of Technology in Kanpur before attaining his doctoral degree in neuroscience under the supervision of Terry Sejnowski at the Johns Hopkins University and at the Salk Institute. After postdoctoral research at Yale and the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, in 1999, he established his own laboratory in India at the National Center for Biological Sciences. His research there has drawn admiring attention from the Indian government, leading to the honor of his having hosted the Indian Prime Minister in his own research laboratory. Dr. Chattarji's work in mouse models of Fragile X has suggested that it may be possible to reverse neuronal and behavioral features of Fragile X through genetic rescue strategies. A series of remarkable observations in his laboratory have identified important and disparate changes in the respective synapses of the hippocampus, typically those which may be related to memory, versus those of the amygdala, those which are typically fear-related. And these appear to be reactive to the presence of chronic emotional stress. Now, further, he has determined that these physical brain changes may, in fact, be responsive to pharmacological interventions that target excitatory glutamate signaling. And this provides potentially a path forward towards restoring neuronal plasticity and improving cognition. His exceptional achievements in translational research underscore the potential of focused medicinal chemistry to address Fragile X symptoms and behaviors, and for future human clinical interventions to be guided by his discoveries. Please join us all in recognizing Dr. Chattarji on this especially well-deserved recognition. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I'm deeply honored by this award, the Global Champion Award. And as you know, as Katie and Mike and others in the FRAXA community know, that I think of Fragile X as much more than just a research interest. To me, FRAXA has always been like family. And you together globally embody a remarkable community of deeply committed and generous individuals. And I'm very grateful to you all for the support and advice you have given me over the years in my research, in the lab, as well as my efforts outside the lab. And this award is yet another expression of your kindness and generosity. So thank you very much indeed for this recognition. And it really means a lot to me. Thank you very much.
Shona, thank you again for all you've done to further FRAXA's mission. But even more, thank you for your friendship over the years. We've been honored to work closely with you, and we are happy to acknowledge your efforts with this award. Thank you for all you've done and all that I know you will be doing in the coming years. Congratulations, Shona.